What's going on, guys? Good morning. Well, today we have a 25 bale pine straw installation, and the first thing we do, as you guys already know, is we lay out the straw, right? The first thing you got to do is lay out the straw all over the perimeter, and if it isn't enough straw or if it's too much straw, then you just keep moving the bales, which makes it a lot easier than going back and forth throughout the whole property and walking, by yourself. So we are going to stretch on the other side just a little bit because the homeowner wants that other side by the bottle brush bushes done. So the way it's going to work is I'm going to film some of this and just talk you in between certain tips that I think that you may want to use when it comes to actually installing your pine straw. The installation is pretty easy, simple, but it's just the tucking and basically how many bales you need per location. All right, so enjoy. Gotta have your favorite tunes to motivate you. Now normally we'll put out all the straw and then blow, but just for video purposes I'm putting on one side at a time, and this way you can see a little bit blow, so on and so forth. Okay, all right. One thing that I need you to pay attention to is when you put it out your straw, you put it out 6 to 7 inches beyond where you want it, right? This way when you start blowing, you can tuck it and make a nice round edge, okay? 6 to 7 inches. This is just the initial installation, and eventually within a couple of days it's going to be nice and small, compact. Okay, so if you see fat, don't worry about it. It's going to be compact, make a nice tight seal.
soul.